Beautiful friends, it's giveaway time, and I've teamed up with City Beauty to gift one of you their Holy Grail Bundle of amazing products worth $325. These are some of my absolute favorites. You'll get the City Lips Clear Plumping Lip Gloss, the Line Blurring Wrinkle Filler, InvisiCrepe Body Balm, Advanced Action Sculpting Cream, Lifting Treatment, Restoring Hand Treatment, and Ultra Firming Dry Oil. Basically, your whole beauty routine in one amazing prize. Here's how to enter. Follow me at Sophia_Knightley and at City Beauty Official on Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, link below. Like this video and drop a comment down below with the word followed. The giveaway is open to US and Canada's residents, and you must be 18 or older to enter. No purchase necessary. Giveaway ends September 30th, 2025. The winner will be chosen at random, contacted via DM, and the prize will be fulfilled and shipped directly by City Beauty. Good luck, beautiful friends. I can't wait to see who wins this gorgeous bundle.